Google Trends. It is a Google tool which surveys, optimizes, stores and researches the data which is searched worldwide. Everyone knows about Google. There are 7 billion people on earth, out of which 5 billion uses internet, out of which 4 billion uses Google search. Yes, 4 billion. 4 billion? 400 crores people uses Google search. It means 400 crore web searches, image searches, video searches, map searches and many more. See how big the number is. So big is your probability to rank your business and websites high. Google Trend is a tool for digital marketers who want to excel in their jobs and a tool for business owners who want to skyrocket their business. This video we will learn about how Google Trend works, and in the next video we will know about Google Trend for Business. And if you have not watched the previous video of our digital marketing course, the link is in this I button. Stay tuned. Here it is. So let's search what is trending. See, this is Google Trend. Here you can search a keyword. Here you have to write. This is just an example the Google Trend is recommending, that you can search this, this or this. This is recently trending in India. Today is 10th June, so this topic is trending. It is in Hindi and Hindi terms are most trending. I don't know why I make videos in English. These words are also trending. See, Kamala Harris, this Jayanti, Jharkhand lockdown news. These are the trending things. So this topic has been searched 1 lakh times. This more than 50,000 times. So this is how the numbers are given by Google Trend. So you can search according to year also. Like in 2019, what was trending in particular area, in particular month, what was trending. You can search by here. And here it is. Your certificate, your free certificate. You can just take the lessons and can earn a Google Trend certificate. In Google Trends, you can search your keyword or your term based on the topic, place and time. Search something. Jaipur city. See, these are the trend, these are the percentages it was searched this time. So I have searched for Jaipur city. Let's change this to worldwide. So I am searching for Jaipur city. The results of past 1 year for worldwide. It is a web search in all categories. So the result is for 14 June to May 16. So it is 1 year. See, Jaipur city, this term Jaipur city was searched in India most of the times, then in UAE, then Bangladesh. Then these are the related queries and topics which is related to this. Like Jaipur city bus route. People was curious, that's why they searched for this topic. So every word, every spelling, every sentence matters a lot in Google Trends. The word changes, the result changes. Let's search for the same thing, Pink City. Let's compare it. Jaipur is also called Pink City, that's why let's search Pink City. See, the blue one is for Jaipur city and red one is for pink. So the blue one was less, but the red one is more. People know Jaipur with the name of Pink City more. The Pink City was searched in India. This is the ratio of Jaipur city and this is for Pink City. So this is the ratio you can see. In Spain, Pink City was searched more and Jaipur city was less. It was 63% in Spain. In UAE, it was 73%. So these are the stats. It means people know Jaipur with the name of Pink City more in comparison to Jaipur itself. See, in Canada, it was Pink City. 94% people know Jaipur by Pink City. Only 6% by Jaipur. Now let's go for another meaning. It is Jaipur city. Now let's go for city Jaipur. It means the same, but the spellings and topics changes the results. Now see. This is yellow one, which is we have searched. This is yellow one. This is red one. And the blue one is with the yellow one. See, the red is again on the high. In India, people have searched for the term city Jaipur 39%. And for Pink City, it was 22%. For Jaipur City, it was 39%. But in Pakistan, people searched for 75 times the Pink City. In Spain, it was Pink City. No one searched for city Jaipur. In Indonesia, it was Pink City. In UAE, it was Pink City. Stats results that world knows Jaipur by the name of Pink City. This is what the power of Google Trend is. Now there is one more name for Jaipur. Let's search that name. Jaipur is also called Paris of India. Who knows it by this name? So it is also there. See the ratio. The ratio is less, but it is there. People know it by the Paris of India name. In India, people know it that Jaipur is called the Paris of India also. But in the most of the countries, it is Pink City. The red one wins this battle. That's why Google Trend is an amazing tool.
Google Trends does not show how many times a keyword or a term has been searched, but it shows the percentage in proportion to all the searches based on time and place.
And the graphs are there. So these are not the number of terms. These are percentage in proportion to the other searches according to their date and time.
In Google Trends, you can search where it is trending, why it is trending, what is trending, where your product is trending. For example, if you search India, so you can search where India is trending. Is it trending in UAE or USA or UK? Which term has rise to 5,000 times? That is what breakout means.
Breakout means this was not searched earlier, but now it has risen to 5,000 times. Can you imagine 5,000 times? So let's do a quick revision of trends. These are the recommendations by Google Trends. These are the topics which are trending in India. For example, this topic has been searched 1 lakh times, this 50,000 times, this 20,000 times. So we can see why this topic was searched. Let's click on it. So these are the results. Because it was the birthday of Mr. CEO, that's why it was searched 50,000 times. So that is how every trending has a reason behind it. Shani Jayanti, MC Code, actually he was a rapper. He was lost, now he has been founded. That's why he is trending. People have searched him for 10,000 times. Same goes with Twitter. People uses hashtags with the Twitter. So with the hashtag, one can know which thing is trending. So let's search something. Let's do rap. So we can see rap is there. Let's go for worldwide. In this country, it is most searched, Angola. Let's change the category to arts and entertainment. It is still the same. Let's change it to from 2004. It is still Angola. This is Angola, an African country. People are excited about rap here. Now let's search for image search. It's Mali, then Morocco, then Senegal, then Madagascar. See, it means these are the countries of Africa only. It means people are excited about rap in these countries. So this is what the Google trend does.
The terms and keywords which are searched very less, Google shows it to 0. But it is not. Metro area search. Google has an option in which you can search a particular area of a particular city of USA. Google has this option available only for USA. It is an amazing tool for the people who loves journalism. People who are curious to know about the world, what is trending in the world, what is going in the world. It is amazing. This was a tutorial for Google Trends. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment down below and subscribe for some more awesome content. Take care.